This is Dr.Senthil. Now let me see a case study video for the course AI in Electrical Engineering offered to final year AAA students. The case study is on fuzzy logic topic, how the fuzzy logic is applied in a washing machine. Now let me see the case study. This case study is discussed by the final year students, Ms. Deepika, Ms. Rakshita, Ms. Nandini and Ms. Kandika. Now let me see the discussion on the case study of application of fuzzy logic in washing machine.
Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about case study on application of fuzzy logic in washing machine. I am going to tell about the introduction. Fuzzy logic is a based technique, that works with degrees of truth rather than yes or no, and it is used in washing machine, which is used to make work smarter, and it is used to save detergent and also the water and save electricity. This will be continued by Deepika.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Deepika. I am going to tell about limitations of washing machine in fuzzy logic. More expansive than basic washing machines, and they use the complex electronic components, and higher cost. Then real-time applications are the company usages are LG, Samsung and Whirlpool.
Hello everyone, I am Nandini. Today I am telling applications of fuzzy logic in washing machine and how it's work. In the washing machine there are various sensors and components. Example, the sensor detect the load, weight and dirty in the cloth. If your dirty or load is heavy, the sensor detected the machines to alert the usage.
Hello everyone. I am going to conclude this case study. To conclude this case study, fuzzy logic in makes them smarter and eco-friendly and more efficient. It is a perfect example of how AI improves in daily life. Thank you.
Okay, now let me consider a washing machine. As per the washing machine, as per semi-automatic washing machine, there may be 3 sensors. The purpose of fuzzing is to control the washing machine. Suppose if the number of clothes is added and we shall switch on the washing machine, then it decides that how many times is required for the entire clothing period, for the entire cleaning period of the clothes. Therefore, the first sensor decides how much water is required. Therefore, a timer is turned on and how much water is required in order to, how much time take in order to fill the water. It is decided by first sensor. The second sensor is used to design the quantity of detergent required. And the third sensor may be for the outlet. How much time is required in order to discharge the total water in the tank, in the washing machine tank. And it is described by our students. Now let me see.
Sensors detect how sensors check how dirty the cloths are, and it also used to check the count of the cloth and the fabric types also. And the sensors are used to find all of this, and
The fuzzy logic system decides the best water level, washing time and motor speed based on the clothes we inputted.
I tell about the what are the executions and operations involved in the washing machine. Washing cycle executions. The open wall inlet the water from the home tank. They fill the washing machine tank. And then we put the cloths into the washing machine tank. It's the first sensor detect the how much cloth and what are the dirty cloths and how much detergents want to fill the tank. It's tell about the what rotation may be required. It's sometimes if I put a short cloth, it need a small anti-clock rotations and clock rotations. If you put a larger cloth, it needs more than 20 times of anti-clockwise direction and 20 times of clockwise directions. This directions was completed, the outlet the discharge water, and alarm was set by the users that detect the washing machines complete the process.
By using of fuzzy logic in washing machine, the benefits are it is a better cleaning. It adjusts the setting based on how dirty cloths are, and it save water. How the need of the cloths, which that how much water we need. It save the water because of it use only the need of how much each load. It save the energy. It optimize washing machine and motor speed, and it is eco-friendly. It reduce the waste of resources.
Thus, concluding this case study, these 4 students of final year triple has discussed the what is fuzzy logic, how it is utilized, or how fuzzy logic is applied in a washing machine, and the washing how semi-automatic washing machine will operate. Depends on the number of cloths, depends on the weight of the cloth, the quantity of water required, the timing period. It is all mentioned by our students. Now the concluding point is carried by our another student, Rakshita.
I am going to conclude this case study with the useful of washing machine. Washing machines are useful for the human being, especially it is very convenient, and it can be used at any time, and more bulk of clothes can be washed at the same time, but not by the hands, and it is very hygienic. Using this washing machine, the germs will be removed, and it is also and it is more convenient for the working women. It's more useful for the working women because they can do their work at remote wise. They can do their office work and they can put their clothes on the washing machine, and it will be run automatically, and they do their own work on focusing that they don't want to focus on washing the clothes. It will be run automatically. So washing machine is used by the fuzzy logic, is very useful for every human being, and especially also working women and every one of us. Thank you.